Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a journal of reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of January. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, link is in the description for the same. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or readings, you can personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us if you guys have any issues. The mail id is the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. It's no longer the same as it was. Okay, now let's start. Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Page of Pentacles. So someone here around you is feeling like starting a connection with a friendship kind of a deal. It could be a new person or a younger person who is interested in you, and they feel like starting this chapter between you and them. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. Let's see. We have the King of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Oh my God, how many wands? Like, there's a lot of attraction between you guys. Lot of attraction. But the problem here is this situation is on and off, in and out. This is not a very stable situation. Maybe that's why you pulled back your energies and or they pulled back their energies. Now they're feeling like coming back towards you or coming towards you with this kind of energy of, okay, let's do this. One of you was resistant to the situation, one of you was not participating in the situation equally as the other person was. So that is why now this person is feeling like they should come forward towards you with some kind of solution, and now they are available enough and enthusiastic enough to make this happen between you and them. This is what this person is feeling right now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Ten of Cups. You are very much interested in having something solid on the table, having a family kind of dynamics, having a relationship where things can go till the point of marriage or commitment, or you feel like having something solid on the table. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups. We have the Queen of Swords, the Judgment, and the Nine of Swords. Yeah, you feel tired of waiting for the right person. You feel tired of playing these games again and again and again. You feel like you should not be in this anxious kind of energy all the time. You feel like you should be clear on your path. You should be clear on what you really want, so that you can get exactly what you want and what you deserve in your love and relationship area. So you feel like coming out of your head and making things happen. Wow. It's like enough is enough kind of a deal. Okay, from your side, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Tower. Their intention is to have a solid base in the situation, because this either this situation is falling apart again and again, or you guys are not able to come on the same page and create something stable in the situation. So they want to start from the scratch, where everything is the base is clear, the base is stable. Okay, let's clarify the Tower. So basically they want to shake up in the situation where everything is going to be crystal clear, and it's like basically starting from zero. Now somebody is ready to put in the effort. Oh God, they want to get out of this confusion. They want to get out of this on and off, in and out, because they were feeling left out in the cold because of this situation. Now they want to deal with their traumas, their unhealed issues, everything that they have gone through. Now they want to face it and heal it and release it properly, so that they can have a good beginning with you, good chapter with you in their love and relationship area. So because of this situation, indirectly you can say because of you, this person is facing their worst nightmares, and they are ready to heal and release it, so that they can be with you for a beautiful relationship. Now I don't see the stability portion here from this person's side. That is situation that is a little bothersome for me, because I do see a lot of passion, a lot of fire, a lot of attraction, a lot of let's do this. I don't see the stability factor here. Maybe it will come with time. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Knight of Wands. Okay, you want to play this game with this person. Okay. Although you have a very clear cut and understanding of what you really want ultimately, but you want to participate in the situation and see where things can go in this relationship, in this connection, because there's a lot of pull towards each other, there's a lot of attraction factor, and there's a lot of fire and passion in the situation. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands here. We have the Five of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Cups. Yes, because of the messed up past, you don't want to repeat the same cycles that happened in the past between you and a certain person or people, multiple energies maybe. Now you want to get out of your head, you want to get out of these past traumas and past issues that you had in your love and relationship area, and you want to enjoy the life that you are presented with in the coming future or right now. So basically, you want to enjoy what is coming towards you without thinking much about the past and the future. That's really cool. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 19th of January, honey. We have the Queen of Wands. There is a lot of passion, lot of fire, lot of attraction in this whole reading. My only concern here is the stability and security factor is missing. You guys have to take care of that factor, because you want something, solid deep down, down the line, and maybe the other person is not on that level. Queen of Wands is again fiery energy, somebody taking certain kind of action towards you, and or you going towards somebody with a lot of passion again. What is happening? Let's clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the Two of Swords, the Magician, and the Ace of Swords. Somebody's coming towards you with some kind of clarity and truth. If things were not clear between you guys, somebody's manifesting clarity and truth here, and they are taking certain kind of action in this direction. It could be you taking the action, it could be them, doesn't matter who is taking the action here, but I do see clarity and truthfulness coming in the situation. Maybe both of you are going to come on the same page of, okay, let's start this connection, let's have this situation in our lives, and let's see where things can go, or getting clarity on what you guys need down the line in the situation. Whatever it is something very meaningful. It is something that is going to help you guys to navigate the connection smoothly, right? That's really cool, really cool. Finally, some kind of clarity and truthfulness and honesty is coming in the situation. Both of you are individually honest with yourselves, like your own individual selves, but when it comes to this connection as a mutual energy, now you're doing it. That's really cool. Six of Pentacles, yes, this is the guidance here. I was hoping for this only. So you guys need to have a very, very stable and secure base when it comes to this particular relationship, if this is your story. If not, then this is not for you, honey. This is completely not for you. Just forget about it. But if this is your story, you guys need to have a stable base to work on in this connection, in this situation, because if you guys are not going to work on the stable base here, on the stability portion of this connection here, things are going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and nothing good is ever going to come out of this. That's very, very important for you guys to stand your ground, to to have a balanced kind of approach from both the sides. Very important. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.